As the most common exhaust gas treatment equipment, the scrubbing tower needs to add a certain amount of packing in the tower to increase the contact area between the gas and the chemical liquid to make it more mutual. Plastic polyhydraulic hollow ball is a common choice. Polyhedral hollow ball is a sphere composed of two hemispheres. Each hemisphere is composed of several semi-fan-shaped blades, and the fan-shaped blades of the two hemispheres are staggered. This kind of packing has the advantage of large specific surface area, so it is widely used in CO2 removal equipment of power plant water treatment. It is also used for absorber, degassing, liquid extraction, water treatment, and heat transfer. Its specific surface area is larger than that of any other spherical filler. It is also made from heat-resistant and chemical corrosion-resistant plastics, including PE, PP, RPP, PVC, CPVC, and PVDF. If you have other questions, please click the link below to consult us. If you like, you can follow it. See you next time.